Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our EGM Securities update. And I've got my partner in crime, Lawrence, here today with me as well. Yeah. Lawrence, we're going to take a little bit of a recap over the week. I thought we'd start with our portfolio because it's in the money. It's in the money. Yeah. We could get down to Mombasa ourselves. Our lira position is making money. Yeah. I think there was a downgrade, a Trump tweet early in the morning. Yeah. Sticking the boot in, so I think we'll run it into the weekend and see how we're doing because it's in the money so far.
Do you still think it'll get to 6.5 or?
You know what? I was a bit concerned and thinking I shouldn't be too greedy. Yeah. This is after all risk management and trading, yeah. But I think let's see. Given his track record, I think let me put 650 and look for 650.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about your crude oil.
Yeah. So this is my trade.
Yes.
So it's still around the same place. We only.
Where did we get short? You got short at 70.
Oh, so yeah, 70.
Okay.
So funny thing is that if you're making money on your Turkish lira, that means that the geopolitical risk is still there, which was pushing oil lower. So I still feel that oil is going to go lower. You're kind of waiting for the American situation to come into play. Remember, there are two things. There are two main reasons where oil should kind of go lower. Yes. One, it's too high.
Yes.
That means that there's a lot of investment, billions of dollars going into new oil rigs, which is going to increase supply. Obviously, kind of pushes oil lower, and also the geopolitical risk that is kind of moving into China and Turkey. So we're kind of saying there's going to be less demand for oil as production goes lower. So those two reasons, I'm kind of hoping
You're
for
happy
that.
to stay with it.
Yeah,
yes.
I'm still short.
And chart-wise, the high for the year was about $10 higher, right?
Yeah,
just near 80. Yeah. We're now at 71.68.
Yeah.
What is your target, Lawrence? Where are you looking for it to come to? This is a 2-month low, I think.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe 60. I know that it's ambitious.
Yes.
But let me show you something. On the monthly, if you just look at that on the month, it's 2 months of decline.
Yes.
So maybe I'm thinking it might test this, this moving average there.
Okay.
The 21-month moving average. Okay. So it might come to that price there.
Yes.
Yeah, around 60 there.
And 60, if it comes 63. There, how much money will you make?
If it comes there, if I just drag and drop this, around $1,000.
$1,000.
$1,000, yeah.
Okay.
Which is just maybe 0.5% of my portfolio.
So we haven't got much risk on the books yet. So Lawrence, we better put some more risk on soon. Yeah. Huh?
If I make money on this, maybe $200, I'll double down on it and go heavier on oil. Yeah.
Okay, so you've got a strong conviction about oil going lower. Yeah. We were also going to look at the Rand because you were showing me like a really long-term chart. And, so we're at levels that we were not at during the time of Jacob Zuma. So this you're saying is being infected by weakness
in Turkish lira.
Yeah. And then also
in the
this
hedges.
land appropriation thing, right?
Yeah, true. But mostly it's because of the hedges for, futures risk.
Yes.
So the Rand, like I said, it's a favorite, because it's volatile, it's liquid.
Yes.
And the South African Central Bank is, it's very independent.
Yes.
So it gives very good trading opportunities for guys who want to hedge on.
Because I saw somewhere it was like as a percentage of GDP, it's the most traded currency.
Exactly.
But for yourselves, is it traded a lot?
On our portfolio, it's a favorite, maybe, but for maybe a few niche investors.
Yes.
Yeah. So mostly kind of guys want to do trades that have got more volume. So maybe euro dollar, pound dollar. Maybe we may look at that next week. So actually, you see your Turkish lira trade is gaining, just shot up, and then you see so this is the equity now.
Yes.
The plus
so we're up $355 together.
$5,
What does this all mean?
So this is your balance right here.
Yes.
650 as 630.
Yeah.
So you add this, you get
that's the balance plus.
Yeah.
But
and this is the risk.
In
terms of risk, we are the most risk-averse people in the world.
We are. Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Wishing you a great weekend.
Awesome, man.
Thank you.
My oil is gaining.
Your oil is gaining.
No,
we're in the money, right? So I mean,
your trade is gaining, but oil is kind of still there.